Hello students, in this amazing session we are going to understand cell. So what is cell? Generally cell is regarded as structural and functional unit of the life. Just like the wall is made up of bricks, living organisms are made up of cells. That's why the cell is considered as structural and functional unit of the life. So cell contains subcellular structures such as cell wall, plasma membrane, cytoplasm and cell organelles such as nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, etc. So cell also play very important role in biochemical reactions of the organisms. So some organisms, they are restricted to single cell. These are called single celled organisms. And some organisms, they contain different cells. These are called multicellular organisms. In multicellular organisms, some cells together form tissue, some tissues together form organ, some organs together form organ system, and some organ systems form organisms. In single cellular organisms, the entire functions is done by single cell like digestion, excretion, absorption, reproduction, everything done in the single cell only. In multicellular organisms, these cells differentiate and form different organs and organ systems. These organ systems, they function as different things. For example, digestive system, so it will be useful for digestion of the food. Excretory system, it will be useful for the removal of the waste from the body. Respiratory system, which is for exchange of the gases. So like that, all organisms, they are composed of cells. So let us understand the discovery of the cell. So the first cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. So he made microscope. Under his microscope, he observed the cork cell. He made the thin slice of the cork cell and placed under microscope. He observed the cell. So it was the dead cell. So first cell was discovered by Robert Hooke, and that is dead cell. Now Antonie van Leeuwenhoek. Antonie van Leeuwenhoek. So he is regarded as the father of bacteriology. He constructed single lens microscope. This magnification was 200 times at that time. So this was the superior microscope at his timings. He observed different samples such as pus cells, RBC, WBC, sperm, drain water, and he found that there were some organisms which we cannot see with our naked eye, and he named them as animalcules. So this was the discovery of the first living cell. So Antonie van Leeuwenhoek first time discovered the living cell by his microscope, and Robert Brown first time discovered the nucleus in the cell. So this was the discovery of the cell. So cell is the basic structural and functional unit of the life. All living organisms are made up of cells. Cells contain subcellular structures, and first time the cell was discovered by Robert Hooke, that is dead. Antonie van Leeuwenhoek discovered the living cell, and Robert Brown discovered the nucleus.